Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you, how I clean wheel wells. So as you can see, this is the one that I'm working on today. It is quite dirty. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I get in there and how I clean it. So first things first, we start with the snow foam. So as you can see, I've already foamed up the whole car. So just going into the wheel wells there. Depending on which car, obviously you're doing it on, if it's lowered or if it's a sports car, it's obviously a lot harder to get in there. But just try and get as much snow foam as you can in there to, just get some I guess cleaning product in there. So as you can see, I've rinsed off all the snow foam, getting in the wheel wells now to rinse off the snow foam in the wheel wells. So I've just done that. Okay. I've moved over to the front because I think that there's more wheel gap in the front, so and it's easier to get a view of. So apologies for changing the wheel. But what I'm doing is I'm getting in there with my all-purpose cleaner, my APC, with a microfiber, and just scrubbing that down. Now I'm going over this with Chemical Guys Bare Bones Undercarriage Spray. I've got the sticky tape there to show you the difference. I've got a review of this product. I'll link it at the top now if you want to have a look at the product, but have a look at this. So I'm going to take this sticky tape off now, which is going to show you the difference between using this and not using this. I guess you could kind of use any plastic restorer. So look at the difference there. So that's obviously treated and untreated. So massive difference. So you could use, I guess, any plastic restorer that you've got. This is just the one that I had on hand. I was doing a review on it, so I thought I'd use it in this video as well. And as I said, you can really see the difference. All right, and that side I've already done. So look at that. Look how good that looks. So I'm going to show you the difference. So this is what it looks like, obviously treated, and this hasn't been touched. So there's a big difference between the two. So yeah, it's very important to do this. Really brings the car out and makes it pop. So yeah, if you could please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, or watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.